So hello everybody and welcome to a new video on this channel. This channel is Ed the Zombie 17 Tech. Uh, this is a newish channel. Previously we did have this on what is now called the animation channel. Back then I used to do reviews on certain products, whether you should buy them or not. I slightly couldn't afford to keep on doing those type of videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to have products that you guys can have a look, see what my honest review is about them, but also you get to learn a lot more other stuff, and that's what we're going to go through. I'm really happy that we can actually relaunch this channel, because a lot of people actually really enjoyed this, and with the new steps we are taking, we'll be able to upload at least one video a week, and I can slightly teach you how to become a better content creator, and whether the most expensive gear compared to the cheap gear is worth it in my own opinions. So let's go into the slight bits that are slightly changed. So the first thing we're going to teach you how to do is how to set up all these little bits like follow alerts, stuff like that, how to record and live stream on OBS. A lot of people have recently started to live stream record. I really love using either OBS or my Elgato. That's another thing that we're going to be teaching you how to actually go through off recording things like PC, PS3, Xbox 360, PS2s, and slightly with the Xbox One and PS4. Pretty much we'll be going through off how to set up, what's the best settings depending on your PC. Really, I would be going from low tier to like a medium tier PC that I've got. So if you've got like a Ryzen 5 or a Intel i5, that is the type of settings I'll be going. You can increase it way more than what we actually have if you've got a really better PC like an Intel i9 or i7. But it's just going to show you how to set up the alerts, stuff like that, so then you know how I do it. The second thing is we're going to show you how to actually create a thumbnail like this that we have done. This is for my gaming channel, of the Among the Sleep, that's coming out real soon. So we're going to teach you how to actually create the little tiny bits of all the different layers, from the background to how I've done the part to how I got the Among the Sleep, the photo, the borders, my logo. We're going to teach you how to create that whole thing, and basically this is based off Jaden Animation's little icon down here and H2O's background, but I have created it to become my very own thumbnail, as I didn't want to actually fully copy them, but I really wanted people to know that this is my video and what channel it is, because not really everybody checks the channel. So then people who are actually subscribed to me know that this white background in is my gaming channel. So then they go, boom, that's a gaming video, we'll watch that. And the blue background is slightly different to H2O's, but it's pretty much similar. There's lighter blues up at the top, but exactly the same type of blue that he used. So they're similar. I love the colour blue and red. The red didn't really look nice with the background, so I went with the blue. So that's another thing we're going to be teaching you to do. Also, we're going to be teaching you things like not just H2O's thumbnail or my thumbnails. We're going to be teaching you how to make things like Vanos's and other content creators thumbnails. So people like Syndicate. So really, you can understand of how different thumbnails are created as well. And also, we're going to be teaching you of how to actually edit a video from the thing. This is me using OBS, recording the South Park The Stick of Truth. There are about 3 episodes during the whole of this. So we're going to actually teach you of how to take that files and just edit it. This was like a little snippet thing. I haven't fully edited the whole of this, so this is where I'm slightly editing episode 2, but that's where I've cut, because that's where I actually say that's the end of episode 2. There's going to be a lot of cuts and stuff like that, but we're going to be teaching you of how to actually do those certain things, and then we're going to be teaching you how like the different styles of editing, like Vanos, me, and a load of content creators. This is just a walkthrough. Walkthroughs don't really have that many cuts, but things like my funny moments, you're going to be seeing how I actually edit certain things and how I do it. So then, because there's 1,000,001 different cuts, so you're going to learn all the necessary skills of how to create a YouTube channel with those certain things. So if you guys enjoy any of those type of things and you want to actually learn anything new, please go and subscribe to the channel, because it means the world to me if you subscribe to that channel. And hopefully we can make some awesome videos. You can learn a lot of cool stuff with either Sony Vegas, Critter, and just learning how to actually create a decent channel, even if you don't want to pay all this expensive gear. But as well, you can go and donate to me. The link will be in the description down below. What that does, that helps me out with the whole channel. It makes me be able to create content and actually teach you guys a bit more throughout the whole of the channel, so then I can keep my main focus on teaching and doing the things I actually love to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you want to donate, go and donate to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.